Hello, good morning, students. Today I am continuing with the chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind. We had done 2 pages and this is the third page. We are studying about Albert Einstein. What type of a boy was he at his school and how he became a great scientist. Paragraph number 7. He also felt a special interest in a fellow student, Mileva Maric, whom he found to be a clever creature. This young Serb means belonging to Serbia, had come to Switzerland because the University of Zurich was one of the few in Europe where women could get degrees. A very important thing to note down. Einstein saw her an ally against the Philistines, those people in his family and at the university with whom he was constantly at odds. At odds means he was not very friendly with these type of people. The couple fell in love. So Albert Einstein, he fell in love with Mileva Maric. Here's the name, you can see this. Letters survive in which they put their affection into words, mixing science with tenderness. Wrote Einstein, "How happy and proud I shall be when we both have brought our work on relativity to a victorious conclusion." So theory of relativity was discovered by Albert Einstein, and some of the part of Mileva Maric was also there. What a nice line to read. How happy and proud I shall be when we both have brought our work on relativity to a victorious conclusion. In 1900, at the age of 21, Albert Einstein was a university graduate and still unemployed. He worked as a teaching assistant, gave private lessons, and finally secured a job in 1902 as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern. While he was supposed to be assessing other people's invention, Einstein was actually developing his own ideas in secret. Secret means secretly. He was doing something else. He is said to have jokingly called his desk drawer at work the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. What was that bureau? What was the desk drawer? He called his desk. He gave the name to his desk as a Bureau of Theoretical Physics. One of the famous papers of 1905 was Einstein's special theory of relativity, according to which time and distance are not absolute. Indeed, two perfectly accurate clocks will not continue to show the same time if they come together again after a journey if one of them has been moving very fast relative to the other. See, this is the theory of relativity. From this followed the world's most famous formula which described the relationship between mass and energy. So energy is equal to mc square, where E stands for energy, M for mass, and C for the speed of the light in a vacuum about 300,000 kilometers. So this was what we are studying about Einstein. While Einstein was solving the most difficult problems in physics, his private life was unraveling. Unraveling means failing. He was not able to divert his attention to his lady love. Albert had wanted to marry Mileva right after finishing his studies, but his mother was against it. She thought Mileva, who was 3 years older than her son, was too old for him. She was only 3 years older than Einstein, but his mother thought that she was far older than her son. She was also bothered by Mileva's intelligence. "She is a book like you," his mother said. Einstein put the wedding off. Wedding off means he did not marry Mileva. The pair finally married in July 1903 and had 2 sons. But a few years later, the marriage faltered. Faltered means it became very weak. Mileva, meanwhile, was losing her intellectual ambition and becoming an unhappy housewife. So after getting married to Einstein, her mind was diverting. She, instead of becoming a very intellectual woman, she was diverting her time to household things, and she became an unhappy housewife. After years of constant fighting, the couple finally divorced in 1919. Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. So first his wife was Mileva, and after getting divorced, he married his cousin Elsa. Einstein's new personal chapter coincided with his rise to world fame. In 1915, he had published his general theory of relativity, which provided a new interpretation of gravity. An eclipse of the sun in 1919 brought proof that it was accurate. Einstein had correctly calculated in advance the extent to which the light from fixed stars would be deflected through the sun's gravitational fields. The newspapers proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. Revolution means a change. Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. He was showered with honors and invitations from all over the world and lauded by the press. Lauded means he was highly praised in the papers by the press. When the Nazis came to power in Germany in 1933, Einstein emigrated to the United States. He went away there. 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar, means they became very angry. Many of them had fled from fascism just as Einstein had. Uproar means very upset. And now they were afraid the Nazis could build and use an atomic bomb. So we know that in the Second World War, atomic bomb was used on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So here we come to a end of today's assignment. You will find out the meaning of the there are many difficult words in this chapter. So please find out those word meanings, and we'll continue this chapter the next time we meet. Till then,